Whoa! Blessing everyone. Happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday to you. So today we'll be baking our 1 pound recipe Christmas cake, black fruit cake, Caribbean cake, however you may call it. And so in our cake today, we'll be using 1 pound of sugar, 1 pound of flour. We'll be using mixed spice, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder. We'll be using a pinch of salt. We'll be using our rose almond, browning, vanilla, and over here we have our fruits, 4 cups of fruits. And remember, I showed you how I strew my fruits last week, and I'll be using 8 eggs. And in my flour over here, I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And over here in my mixer, I have a pound of butter. A pound of butter. You can use whichever butter you like, but it have to be room temperature. And all our ingredients have to be room temperature. Okay? So we are going to make our cake today. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to mix our butter and sugar together. So we are going to mix our butter and our sugar now. So the butter is in, and we are putting in our sugar. And we start mixing. And over here we have our eggs. Our 8 eggs in this container. So we will mix the butter and the sugar until they become creamy. And the process will take a little time. This is the hardest part of the baking, mixing the butter and the sugar. So from time to time we'll have to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides so everything can mix together. So I'll take you back as soon as the butter and the sugar is fully creamed. So when we put in about 4 eggs, we go again and we scrape. We scrape down the bowl. We scrape down the bowl. So we want everything to mix properly. And when we mix down the bowl, I usually like to add some flour in the mixture just to prevent it from curdling. So I put about 3 tablespoons of flour and mix again. And as we mix, we add the remaining egg to the mixture. So I'm going to do that and I'll come right back. So our eggs, sugar and butter is fully creamed, and we are ready to add our fruits and the rest of our ingredients. So we're just mixing it up a little. And so we are going to add our fruits and our flour in parts. So we put some fruits, we put some flour, and we mix. And as soon as this is mixing, we add some more fruits, we add some more flour. And we can use the aid of our big spoon or a wooden spoon. Then we add the final amount of our fruits. And the rest of our flour. And we mix again. And remember, when you are baking, we cut. We don't just stir, we stir in one direction and cut. So we mix, cut, mix, cut. So we go in one direction, not all over the place, one direction. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll come back to you. So at this time, our oven is turned on and we put a water bath in the oven, and I will be baking at 160 degrees Celsius. Put in a tablespoon of rose and almond, tablespoon of vanilla, and we put in our browning. And the browning, we put in the browning based on how you want your black cake to look. If you want it well dark or you want it not so dark, you put in based on what you desire. And then you mix again, and by the time we finish mixing this out, it's time to put our cake in the oven. So I'll see you when we are putting in the cake in the oven. So we just mix this out and come back, right back. And this is the final mixture of my black cake. This is how it looks. This is how I want it. And so I'm going to put it in the pan now. So the tins are already grease and flour. So here we go. So these are all the cakes. All the cakes from the 1 pot recipe. So here we are again. This is the finished product. This is the finished product of our cake today. And so we are going in for a taste test.
Wow, that looks so beautiful.
Thank you, babe.
And I know that it will taste just like how it looked.
I know it will. And so we are going in to just take out a slice. Just a slice for you, babe.
Oh, thank you, hon.
So taste it.
Yeah.
And tell me.
My babes, it's so sweet. I tell you, it's gonna look just like how it tastes. It is nice, man.
Thank you, babe. You can smell the rum and the wine.
Yeah. I know you can go and bake for the world, babes.
Look at the texture, guys.
Wow.
Moist.
Yummy. Wow.